Hey, Jules. Jewel, I got a lot going on. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm trying to clear my skin while trying to pre-poo, shampoo or co-wash, and deep condition, and braid up my hair.
Bruh.
If that ain't doing too much, I don't know what is. Girl, if you see I'm shiny and glossy, it's because I'm letting aloe vera do its job. So I have an actual aloe vera plant that I keep in my window. And y'all, when I tell you it is growing. It's like a self-maintaining plant. I give it water. My blind's still closed, but my window open, and it pretty much grows itself, and I love it. So whenever I need aloe vera, I'll go right to my stash. But anyway, so today I applied aloe vera on my face. It's been doing its job. Oh my goodness, y'all. Like, I did it for 2 days, but I noticed the irritation. My skin is sensitive, so I stopped for a day, but I went back and put it on just to give my skin a break. But that's what I have on my face, on my cheeks as of now. Women, y'all can relate. The hormones, you know what it's like. And then don't eat nothing oily. Oh my goodness, it's gonna come out through your pores. Do you hear me? I call it Vera. So anytime I'm referring to Vera, my son be like, "Mommy, who is Vera?" I'm like, "You don't know Vera? Vera is here. She's been in the window for months now. That's your second auntie. You better recognize." So he's still trying to comprehend that I call my plant Vera and I refer to it like it's a person. But anyway, y'all, I'm coming today with Vera on my face, and then also my hair. Like, it's time to wash. Cleansing my scalp with fresh aloe vera leaves that you can probably see in my bowl. I pre-cut them already, y'all. But I just go to my plant, and when I go to my plant, I have my knife. I literally clip off a leaf, and then I slice down the sides, and then I split it in half. And this is what you have. And I have like 4 or 5 pieces, and I usually just go throughout my scalp. You probably can see, but I'm gonna show you all how I apply. And I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, because I notice my scalp is itchy, and with my hair being the texture it's very delicate. So I notice like shampooing weekly can be like really abrasive on my hair. So I'm like, y'all, I'm about to do this aloe vera on my scalp to cleanse it, and then I'm gonna go back with the As I Am co-wash, and then do a deep condition, because it's what? It's braids time, y'all. So I'm doing a protective style on my hair. I have it's called EZ-Braid Professional. I've never tried it, y'all, so if y'all tried it, let me know in the comments. Please let me know. This will be the first time I've tried this hair. Now it's pre-stretched, pre-layered, professional braiding hair. So I'll just go through with the aloe vera, and I add it to my scalp, and I'm gonna rub it in, you know, and let it sit and do its job, and then I'm gonna wash it out. So I'm gonna show you all a demonstration on how I start my box braids. So first, you have the hair already sectioned off. Now you just part or take a piece of hair as big as you would like your braid to be, but this is the size that I'm aiming for my braids. And this it's like the ombre effect. It goes down to like a brown, but this color is a 1B30. But anyway, you split the hair into 2. You actually just split it into 2, and once you split it into 2, you have those, and you just put it on over each other. So now it's like a cross, and once you have it as a cross, you just pull each side down. Make sure they're even as well. But once it's even, you do that, and then you just start to braid. For your braids, I'm using Jam, the Extra Hold Conditioning Gel Shine. It's called Let's Jam by Dark and Lovely. And then for my butter, for my hair to be like soft and to catch it, this is replacing beeswax. I feel beeswax is very waxy on my hair, and it seems to leave like a residue. So I have a homemade shea butter mix that I use on my hair. It softens and conditions it. I love it. So I'm using this on the mid shaft, which is not the root, but the rest of the part of the hair, like mainly my ends and the mid part of the hair. And then on the roots, I'm using that jam. And I'm not using this on the root because it's oily, which will cause slipping. But it does make the hair really soft, and that's what I'm aiming for when I braid my hair up. I want it to be soft and moisturized. So I already applied that on there. You just go and section that piece off. I mean, you split them in two. And you bring one to one side, and then you split the other side. And once you split the other side, once you split it, you see how you have those two? You split it, and then you just go under and around like a regular braid. Show you all the demonstration for the front. So I have it already parted off, split it in two, cross over each other, and you have pretty much like two locks. And I split it with my finger, split one of the loops, and you just braid. You just braid it all the way down. And this is what I have so far. Here's my front. You just part the hair. And my comb, I broke the teeth out of it because I just need that pointy top. I mean that sharp point. You just round it like you digging. You just round it. And then you get your hair and you just split that into two like I showed you earlier. I already added my jam. Make sure you add your jam on there. And you just start. I mean, I'm not even gonna dip this. So I'm just gonna tie the ends with a little small knot just to, you know, bypass burning my hair. So I'm gonna show you all how I knot it. Just get I found like the longest piece that works. Get the longest piece, and once you have the longest piece, you're gonna put your finger like this, and you're gonna wrap that hair around and pull. If you know how to do micro braids and you know how to knot that micro braid, that's the same type of knot that you're going to do. Put your fingers there, put the hair around it, bring it and connect it over. And you do that about 2 to 3 times. And when I tell y'all this knot secures the hair in place, you literally have to cut the knot out just to get it out of your hair. So that's what I'm going to do instead of dipping my hair. And so if you can see, it's a knot right there. And so that's what I'll do to secure it, but I will cut the residuals off. It's pretty long, y'all. Took 2 days, literally. I was like non-stop working. About 4 bags. Each bag was $2.49, so that was a good deal. But when I tell y'all, this hair is really good. Like, it doesn't tangle as much. It doesn't tangle as much, and that's what I like about this hair. It doesn't tangle easily. Now, if you take a braid down and try and put it back in with that same hair, now that's a different story. That hair will tangle. But if you use fresh hair and put the braid in, to me it didn't tangle. I mean, this is my opinion of the hair, but I like it so far. And this anti-itch fiber, I'm not believing in that because my scalp is itching as we speak. Alrighty, Jewel, thanks for watching. Also, if you like what you see, go and subscribe, girl. Thanks for watching, Jewel. Bye.